So first things first, want to make sure we download the SDK platform tools for Windows. The website will be in the description below. Here there's Windows, Mac, and Linux. So in this case, we want Windows. So we'll go for Windows. Once you download this, when you download, it should be something like 11 MB, somewhere there to 12 MB. Then we'll see in your download folder, there will be this folder called platform tools, and compress it. For me, it's already uncompressed. Then I'll open this, then open in the Windows terminal. For Windows 11, you have those options, or you can press shift left click, more options. You'll see more options, more shells to open it with. Then when I do this adb devices, you see I get something like unrecognized, but the trick to this is just to do a /adb devices, and that should work. Same thing for first boot, though my device is not in first boot, but it should work. You should be able to install your custom recoveries. You should be able to work with adb. So that's the trick to fixing, to having the commands to work on Windows 11. I tried the trick where I added it to advanced settings. In the advanced settings, I added the path, but it didn't work directly. So I found this was the easier way and easy fix to work around it. So for Windows 10, the process where I added the path to advanced settings was working, but for Windows 11, I had issues. So this was the fix that I found. So yeah, that's just about it for this video, guys. Peace out. Hope you have a good day. Yeah, subscribe, guys. Peace. Have a good day.